Hello everyone, it's Rita. Today I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Miss Cheryl's Place and Karen Jeter. It is called Christmas Decoration Unboxing. Well, while I have not unboxed yet, I will do a Christmas DIY for you guys today, so stay tuned. Okay, so I picked up 2 packs of these wooden Christmas trees from Dollar General. There are 3 trees to a pack, and you get 3 for $1. Grab 2 packs of those. I'm going to use this paper. I'm going to use this paper that I picked up, I believe it was at Michael's. I have like a whole book of it. And I'm only going to cover 1 tree. It was really hard to do because you have to slide those trees together, and it was trying to tear the paper off. So I'll show you what I do, and I'll decorate the other trees in a different manner. Now on this first tree, I'm going to take a green marker and just color the sides of it so it will match the paper. I'll be using a glue stick to stick this onto the wooden tree. I did put it on the paper, but later found out that it sticks better if you put it on the actual wood piece. And here's how the first tree turned out. Now for the next 5 trees, I'm going to use paint, stain, glitter, and show you what I come up with. And here's tree number 2. I used white acrylic paint and silver glitter on this one. And for the third tree, I used white acrylic paint again and red glitter. Now I will use this antique wax on a couple of the trees, and I actually think I like these two best. And for this tree I used some chalk paint. I believe the color is sage. And then I have one more tree that I'm going to use that antique wax on again, and then I'll be displaying these for you. Okay guys, here they are. I just simply put a white cloth down, set the trees on it, nutcrackers, and a few ornaments just to give you a little display. I think it was a really simple, easy DIY. The trees were like $2. You can decorate these any way you want to. So I hope you enjoyed this simple DIY tonight. Thank you, Miss Cheryl and Karen, for hosting this collaboration. Thanks to my subscribers and everyone who's watching today. And until next time, I hope you have a happy holiday season, and I will see you in my next video.